you can see, the road is a little bit snow covered. Definitely a friendly reminder to drive to the road conditions. The speed limit is 80 kilometers an hour through here. I'm going about 75.
Picton always gets it worse than most places, I think.
Would have been nice to have this snow yesterday for a white Christmas. But I'll take the snow today for sure. Saturday, December 26, 2020. Happy Boxing Day.
And the start of lockdown.
Day one of the 28-day lockdown, I think it is.
Yes. Well, you guys have a great day. Stay safe. If you go out, drive careful.
Thanks for watching dashcamtv. We appreciate the support. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much for that. We hope you're still enjoying the content. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so and clicking that notification bell. Until next time.